Shopventory bundles allow you to take existing inventory and use it to create a new entry in the register. Recipes, case breakdowns, drink pours, combo discounts, and gift packs are the most obvious functions enabled by bundles, but you can use bundles to do even more, including creating alternate pricing and commission tracking. You'll find all bundle-enabled functions in our help articles under the Advanced Features section. Before we can create a bundle, first we have to create our components. If you're going to be using an item to create a bundle, be sure to make it easy on yourself with clear labeling. Usually the variant name is the best place to indicate what units are being used, in addition to any other variant info. If an ingredient is not going to be sold by itself, you can deactivate it so it doesn't appear on the point of sale. You can still use it to build a bundle, and Shopventory will still track the quantities. Once we have all our components and ingredients created, we can begin creating the bundles. First, let's create a simple recipe. This will be done from the Bundles page. Just click on Create Bundle to start a new bundle item. We'll create a simple latte. This is just like the regular item creation process until you get to the Assembly/Labor Cost field. This is optional if you'd like to factor in time and labor costs. We'll estimate and say it costs us 15 cents worth of labor to put this bundle together. We can adjust later if we need to, or leave it blank altogether. No need to enter costs and quantities as Shopventory automatically calculates those based on our components. Simply enter the price. Down here we select the components for this bundle from our inventory. Everything in the Items and Variants tab is available whether it's active or not. Simply pick the component, then enter the amount of units we want to use. You can add as many components as you like. Shopventory also allows you to go down to 3 decimal places for precision. This is where those unit labels and the variant names come in handy. Once you're done building a recipe, simply check the tax rates and save. If you need to create another variant, use the Add Bundle Variant option in the Edit Bundle screen. This will create a new variant under the same bundle item. This means on the register and the website you'll see one item and multiple variant options. Each variant can have its own mix of components. You can also create partial quantities, for example, a simple pour from a bottle. In this case, we want the bundle to be a variant of the existing item. In other words, I want to select the wine and then have an option for bottle and glass. All I have to do is create a bundle variant. This will create a new bundle option under the same item. In this case, the component is going to be the bottle variant. Just put in how much of the bottle we're going to use for the glass. We can apply that same concept to a case breakdown. So let's say we have a 24-pack of beer in our inventory. We can use the Add Bundle Variant option and break that down into 2 12-packs consisting of 0.5 cases each. We can break it down further into 6-packs, which would be 0.25 cases. We can even go down as far as a single bottle, 1 divided by 24 since we're selling 1/24 of a case. Let's create one more bundle just to make sure we're confident. We'll say we want to create a simple starter pack of some of our most popular items. Simply create a bundle, put in the item and variant data, set the price, and then add each component and the quantity you want to sell it as part of the bundle. Saving the bundle will immediately create it in the point of sale as though it were any other product. Selling the bundle will automatically update the components in Shopventory. Likewise, updating the components will affect the available quantities in the bundles. Feel free to enter demo mode and create a few test bundles and play around. When it comes to bundles, the best way to learn is usually by doing. We have plenty more guides, tutorials, and explainers in our help section in the I for Information or at help.shopventory.com. Thanks, and as always, make it a great day!